Hi guys, it's John here with just a quick update on Honeygain and JumpTask. So for those who are not aware, Honeygain is a way of getting paid for sharing your unused internet connection. So basically they say 90% of your internet connection is actually not being used at any one time, so you might as well put it to use and get paid for doing so. So I have explained this all in my previous video, but Honeygain is basically a safe way of sharing your internet connection and getting paid for doing so. So you get paid in either Honeygain credits or in JumpTask. So JumpTask is actually a crypto coin. Now as you can see here, I have got 2 internet connections, but I've only got a single device on each because they have changed it now that you can only have 1 device per internet line that you've got. So a bit of a shame, but you can see here in the last 2 weeks I've already made nearly over 15,000 credits here, and this one here is actually a new computer which hasn't been up that long, so it's doing quite well, and hopefully once it's been on a couple of months it should be up to the standards of my original one here. So that's easily earning me at least $30 to $40 a month with just these 2 running. So that's pretty much paying for both of my internet lines, give or take a bit. But yeah, it's definitely worth doing. If you haven't signed up to Honeygain, my link is in the description. You get $5 when you sign up to start with. And then yeah, just leave it running and just wait for the money to come in. You do have to leave your computer on 24/7 to make the most of it. And it is better using a Windows computer rather than a phone if you can, because you get to do content delivery, which is this number down here, which gives you extra credit on top. So I've got mine linked to JumpTask, and JumpTask is one of their partners basically, which give you an extra 10% bonus if you put your credits into JumpTask or into the Jump token. So you can see here I've got $63 currently waiting, and I can transfer those out and change them to another coin. This is all on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's nice and cheap. You can convert and basically do whatever you want with it once you've transferred it to your wallet. But JumpTask have actually added some new features to their site since my last video, so I thought I'd quickly go through what those are. So we can see this is the first thing that they've added in. This is offers. So this is basically completing tasks and getting rewarded for doing so. So if we click on here, you can see here, these are offers that JumpTask are offering that you can get paid in Jump tokens for completing. So this is just to complete a survey. There's another one here for completing a survey as well, and you get a 0.45 JMPT, which isn't bad. But what I do like about this is that you can actually sort by how much reward you get. So I always like to sort by highest to lowest, and then you can go through and see how much some of these things are paying. So let's take a look at this one, for example. This is going to reward you 19.47 jump, which is about $36. And it's asking you to register and verify your account and deposit €30. So if you think about the fact that euros and dollars are actually pretty similar at the time of writing, you're actually going to be making a €6 profit. So we've got everyone's favorite YouTube sponsor here, Raid Shadow Legends as well, and you can get paid $23 worth of jump by opening 2 sacred shards. Now I don't know how hard this is. This could be quite difficult to actually achieve. But we'll come on to the difficulty factor when we go on to the gaming section that they've also added into the JumpTask site. But yeah, it's worth having a look through these offers and just see. Again, there's another one here where you can deposit and wager at least £10, and you'll get $16, nearly $17 of jump tokens. So you're actually making a few dollars every time you do one of these offers here. And you potentially, I guess, you could even get money back from the casino with your £10. Obviously, it's unlikely. Gambling is always set to make you lose money. But yeah, like I say, just look through these offers and see whether there are actually any that make sense in doing. There are other ones in here which I probably wouldn't recommend. I mean, it's probably different per country, but here, for example, we've got a Sky TV broadband and mobile offer. So signing up to purchase a Sky TV broadband and mobile subscription, you're only going to get $5 for that. Now, if you were going to do that anyway, and you're coming up to renew your internet connection, for example, then by all means go through this, but it definitely isn't worth doing an offer like this unless you're actually going to be signing up to this subscription anyway, because that's going to cost you a good, knowing Sky TV, £40 or £50 a month. So to get just $5 for it, that's probably not worth it. So yeah, that is the offers section. You can obviously go through and what you've been rewarded, any stats as well, but I haven't actually gone through any of this myself yet as I haven't had time. But yeah, things like this I might just do because it's basically free money. So the other thing they introduced quite recently is staking. So if we have a look here, you can actually stake your jump tokens and earn an interest on top. So it's currently at 24% APR, which isn't massive, but to be honest, it's still free jump tokens for doing nothing. So I've already earned 0.6 JMPT for staking 39 JumpTask tokens. So again, it's just another little offer they've got, which isn't really costing you anything. You can withdraw this at any time. You don't get locked into any kind of contract at all. And you can see here that the rewards are being calculated and added to your balance every 10 minutes. So it's auto compounding for you. And that's a nice one to actually get into. Minimum stake is 10 JMPT. But once you're in, you can start depositing as much as you like. Don't forget, as you can see here, you can withdraw any time you like. And this does fluctuate a bit. It has been a bit lower than this, and it has been a tiny bit higher, but it's around the sort of 22 to 25% mark. So yeah, if you've got JumpTask tokens lying around, you might as well stake them and get some free ones added on top. Okay, so the latest thing that they've added, which was just yesterday, is the games section. So here you can actually get rewarded for playing games. Now, the thing I like about this is that it actually does tell you how hard or easy these are to achieve. So if we have a look at one of these hard ones, for example, so this is an iOS app. Let's have a look. So you've got to play Vikings War of Clans, and you've got to do this within 28 days of installing it. So it'll give you here a list of how many tasks there are. So there's 12 tasks, and you can get a total of 39 jump. So 39 jump, that's $72. So again, I don't know how hard this would be to do, really. They've marked it as being hard, but you could potentially get over $70 for just doing these 12 tasks. What I do also like is that you get rewarded for each task, so you don't necessarily have to complete the whole lot. So you could get 0.19 for just completing the tutorial, a bit more for doing your warehouse level 2, and you can obviously just scroll down and see exactly how much each is paying. As it gets harder, you're going to get more JumpTask tokens. And again, it depends on the game whether you actually have to pay to unlock any of this, whether it's even physically possible to do this within 28 days. It'll obviously vary depending on the app, but at least you do get a breakdown of exactly what you need to do and exactly how much you'll be paid. There's an easy one here, like we saw earlier. This is why it's a bit confusing, because some of these are found in the offers as well, but they are also appearing here in the gaming section. But yeah, this is the casino one where you deposit £10 and you get you get about $15 back. So yeah, just have a look through these. You can't sort these yet, which is slightly frustrating. I hope they will add that in to be able to sort by how easy these are, because then you could easily pick, or you could pick at least, the easier games. You can filter by desktop games and Android and iOS and seeing what's out there. Obviously this is being updated all the time as well, so that's quite cool. But yeah, that's the update to Honeygain and JumpTask. Hope it's useful. If you've got any questions at all, leave them down below. Don't forget, like I said, I do have a referral link in the description, which helps out the channel, and that does start you off with $5 as well. So any problems at all with JumpTask, let me know, and I'll do my best to help out where I can. Don't forget the free giveaway as well. I will put a link to that down below, so you've got a chance of winning 500 euros of yield nodes credit. So check that video out and be sure to enter. It's completely free, and I'll be announcing the winner on the 10th of August. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.